Hello everyone! Today is Teide day. We're going to hike to the summit of Teide. Let's see outside how it is. Let's see. Ooh, looking cool, isn't it? We're gonna go right there pretty soon. Hopefully it's gonna be less cloudy. But yeah, before you go, you need to prepare yourself. And I have a few tips for you to be prepared before you go to hike the big guy. The first one, get a permit. The park and the way to go to Teide, it's free, but you need to book in advance and get your permit. We booked in 2 weeks advance and we only have the 3 to 5 p.m. hours available. So I would say try to book it at least a month before if you want to do it in a better time, like in the morning. The second recommendation I have is book your cable car. Depending on your plans, if you don't want to hike, if you want to cut this way, it's a good way to go there. The cable car costs 21 euros one way or 37 round trip. I'm also gonna link the website below. And the third recommendation I'm gonna give you from the hike. The third thing you need to be aware is getting ready for this little hike. We are in the altitude and it's cold, so it's good to check the weather conditions, if it's gonna rain, if it's gonna be too much wind, and also bring proper clothes. The forecast today was saying that the conditions at the top would be 0 - 1 Celsius. So yeah, put some layers on. Because we only got the permit from 3 to 5 p.m, we had to change our plans and decide what we were gonna do. So we booked the cable car at 2 p.m. So our plan was to go by cable car, spend 1 hour from the cable car station to hike to La Fortaleza viewpoint and back. It takes around 1 hour to do that. At 3, we would be back at the cable car station and be able to enter the trail to go to the summit of Teide. That, people say that takes around 45 minutes. And then after that, start our way back down. There's no more cable cars available after that hour. So we're gonna have to hike all the way down. What we're gonna do is to hike back to the cable car station and take the other trail to the Pico Viejo, and from there, hike back down to the road. It's gonna take more or less 4 hours to do it. So because of that, we're bringing headlamps, more food, more water, warm clothes. But anyways, if you're planning to do the same, do a lot of research, maybe message us here. It's always good to be prepared for hikes, especially if you're hiking at night. So okay, with all of that in mind, time for me to get ready and hit the road soon. Let's go!
It's time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe.
We parked at the beginning of the Pico Viejo trail. Already looking really cool. Now we need to hike 5 kilometers, walk 5 kilometers in the road to get to the teleférico. So let's go. First we need to go there to the teleférico base, to the cable car. A little more than 1 hour to get there. Let's speed up. First, La Fortaleza. First this one, that way. We're looking the northwest side of the island. Can you guys see? There, Santa Úrsula, Puerto de la Cruz, where we came from 2 hours ago. And now we're gonna go there. We are back from La Fortaleza. Time to go to that big guy.
What are the guys?
Here we go. Très bien. Muito bem. already here? I think we're almost there. Damn it. Full summit. A little more. I think we're almost there now. Are we in the summit, Mahi?
I think we are.
Yay! We're in the top of the world! At least the top of Spain. We did it! Good job, us! Woo! That's La Gomera and that's La Palma. And if we turn to the side, that's Mahi. And she's right in front of Gran Canaria. You guys see Gran Canaria up there? This is us on top of Spain. On y va?
C'est parti.
Vamos? Let's go! Wow! And one thing to know about Teide, it smells really bad. The sulfur is really strong up here. It smells like rotten eggs with rotten milk. Dog poop with a bunch of stuff that you don't want to know. But it's the best smell because you achieve it! You got here. Sorry. We're gonna go there and down. And that's our car. The sun is almost out.
It's so beautiful.
You stay a little bit. Hold, come back. We need sun. We still need 5 kilometers to go. Can you guys see the moon? Wow, check behind and in front. Look at this big boulder. We are already in the dark. There was no way to escape it. Whoops. But we're gonna make it. The trail is really well marked. No problems, right?
No problem. There's never any problem.
We still have a few more minutes to go and we are really hungry, so we decided to have some dinner. What you having there, Mahi?
I think it is jam and cheese.
Jam and cheese. Mine's gonna be probably peanut butter and jam.
Yeah.
We're good with the dinner. Did you eat enough?
Yeah. But now I'm cold.
Me too. Let's go back to the trail. So we're back in the car.
It was long.
It was long, but we did it. We accomplished this goal. It's about 9 p.m. right now. Then we had food. So yeah, you could do the hike back way faster than what we did, maybe 3 hours.
Yeah,
3 hours.
you did it in 3 hours if you just go straight.
So total, when we parked the car in this exactly location, it was 1 p.m. and we are coming back to the car at 9 p.m.
So it's a full day.
Full day of adventure. It was really cool. The hike is really well marked. So once it was night, we just put the headlights on. Very easy trail, no problems. All right, the same message as always. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, subscribe.
Give some love.
You can even comment below if you liked. If you have any questions, I can answer more questions about Teide. That's it.
See you next time.
See you next time.